How to create a Quillbot account. I am going to show you how you can easily create a Quillbot account. First, open Google Chrome on your computer or mobile device. In the search bar, type Quillbot and press enter. Click on the first link in the search results to go to Quillbot's official website. On the Quillbot homepage, look for the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen and click on it. Click on the sign up button to start creating your account. You can sign up using your Google, Facebook, or Apple account. If you already have an account, you can enter your email and password to log in instead. If you don't have an account, click on Don't Have an Account to create one. Fill in the required information such as your email, password, and name. Check the box to agree to Quillbot's terms and conditions, then click on Continue. Select whether English is your first language. Choose if most of your writing is used for schoolwork. Select your education level. Indicate where you heard about Quillbot. Click on Continue after answering all the setup questions. You will be prompted to add Quillbot to your Chrome browser. Click on Add to Chrome to confirm the installation by clicking Add Extension. Once the extension is installed, you should see a confirmation message indicating that Quillbot has been successfully added to your browser.